Hey everyone! Thinking about becoming a notary public? In this video, I'm going to break down the process into 5 easy steps. So, let's get started. Step 1. Research your state's requirements. Not every state has the same rules for becoming a notary public. Some states require training courses or exams, while others do not. Head over to your state's official website or contact the Secretary of State's office for the most accurate information. This will give you a clear idea of what you need to accomplish. Step 2. Complete your application. Once you know your state's requirements, you'll need to fill out an application. This can usually be done online, but some states might require a paper application. Make sure to provide all the necessary information and double-check everything before submitting. Missing details can delay your approval process. Step 3. Take the required training or exam. If your state mandates a training course or an exam, now's the time to get it done. There are plenty of online courses available that cater specifically to notary training. If an exam is required, make sure to review the study materials thoroughly. Passing the exam might be the most challenging step, but with good preparation, you can do it. Step 4. Purchase your notary supplies. Once your application is approved, you'll need to get your notary supplies. This typically includes a notary seal or stamp, a notary journal, and sometimes a bond. Your state's requirements will dictate exactly what you need. Make sure to buy quality supplies to ensure your documents are always professional and compliant. Step 5. Begin your notary work. Congratulations! With your commission in hand and your supplies ready, you're all set to start your journey as a notary public. Whether you're adding this to your existing job or starting a new business, being a notary can be a rewarding and flexible career. Remember to keep up with any continuing education or renewal requirements in your state. That's it. Becoming a notary public might seem daunting, but by breaking it down into these 5 steps, you can see it's pretty straightforward. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and guides. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Notary Niche for all your notary needs.